a demo of Q4OS, which is a Linux Debian based operating system. I much prefer Linux because it's free, it's got high security, and hasn't got all the rigmarole you've got with Windows, particularly now Windows 10 and 11. They are a real pain trying to install and do stuff that you want to do. So I like Q4OS, although I had a little bit of trouble getting the grub sorted out, but it was just a matter of going to the BIOS and changing it there, although I had a problem there because somehow a password got put on my BIOS, but I eventually got rid of that. So I like Q4OS because it's actually like Windows. I was just looking at a minute ago, firewall. So I need to put in my password. So there's the GUI, and that's where you just turn it on. And you can create rules in that if you want to, or you can just go with the standard. So what I had to do initially was I had to go to the, you could have done it from Sympatic, which is I'll show you in a minute, but I installed the firewall, and the GUFW is the GUI version, and that gives you the status of active. The other way is to use Sympatic, which is just another way of installing so this gives you all the possibilities. So I could have gone firewall, and done it this way. There's various firewalls, there it is there, and when you've selected what you want, you just go apply. So the good thing about Q4OS is it's free. It has 49,000 programs and they're all free. So another way, as I say, it's normally you go there, programs, like games. I download a few games, or I've been lately using app images, which is a lot of these here. So rather than have to install programs, you can download the app image, which if I look at Office, that is only Office, I know that's 360 megs, but there's no installation. You simply have to go to the app package, app image, and make it executionable. So there's actually no installation for those, and all I've done is create a shortcut on the desktop. So that's a quick and easy way, rather than have to install each package. So like Windows, it has the control panel where you can change a few things. Wine is actually a program where you can actually run Windows programs, or a lot of Windows programs. Abbey Word is a nice little word processor, but I've also got LibreOffice and OnlyOffice. So she's a great little program. Updates are very simple. Updates you do when you're ready, not like Windows where they basically force you to do updates when they're ready. So I like it. Pretty good. Worth a shot, and I say it's all free. I've now got the firewall on. You don't need a virus checker. You should use something like Stasa. Here it is. Stasa is oops. Let's have a look. If I open Nemo, go to downloads, find Stasa. So you need to go to properties. It is redone. It is should work. So with Stasa you can go to the clean one, select all, just to clean out the rubbish, which you should do in Windows as well. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of rubbish there, so select all again. 1.5 gigabytes of rubbish. Put in the password. There we go. So there's lots of choices with Linux. There's 10 of everything. I like Nemo as a file manager. I've got a Zoom meeting next week, so I've installed the Zoom app. So she's a lovely little system. I give it sort of 8 out of 10. Whereas I'd give Windows 2 out of 10. Have fun.